Legends. It says it's now open, but we thought it was closed. We didn't see anybody out here. And so I just went up and tried the door and it was open, and here's what it looks like on the inside. Really nice. We got to come back and try this sometime. We have made it to Dezerland. We are going into Dezerland. We're going to show you around, and maybe we'll get you shaken up but not stirred. We'll see about that. So let's go inside. We're going to make this as quick as possible, show you everything we can, and do it quickly. When you first get to the front entrance here, there's my old truck right there.
I love those old trucks. Oh, that's I didn't notice that.
But Marcy said she won't ride with me in this truck because the face on it and everything. But she said she wants me to take her in here, and this is the kind of car she wants me to get right here. Right, baby? Which one you want? Which one? You want Ferrari, the Rolls Royce, McLaren, or the Lamborghini? Remember coming to Artegon and they had all these craft shops and everything in here. But now it is Dezerland. I said it wrong, Dezerland. They've got an automotive where you can pay and see some of the cars here and check them out up close and personal. Or you can just walk around here. The world's largest indoor park. And you can pay an extra fee, and this is just a preview of some of the cars. They go way on back through there. And with the admission to this, you get admission to the James Bond. That's a separate video that we're thinking about doing. See all the cars that were in different things. You can pay $22 for kids or $32 for adults and check these cars out up close and personal. I don't think we're gonna get that close, so we'll see. James Bond. Look, you can get it shaken or stirred here at this bar. This is the James Bond Museum entrance here.
It's really loud.
In the meantime, we're gonna walk down this way and find something good to eat in the food court here. Got a bunch of different options here. We might try this burger shop and see what we like here. There's also a pizza place, there's an ice cream place, a burrito place, and a couple other places down through there to choose from. And then we ordered a burger and a chicken sandwich from Corner Burger. Let's see what it looks like. This is how it comes. They called us, and Marcy got the chicken sandwich, and I got the burger and fries, and there's the grand total. So we did finish eating at the Corner Burger. It was okay, wasn't too bad. Marcy had a little problem with her chicken sandwich. Wasn't what she thought. She went back and got wings, and they looked delicious. So if you're here and want a burger, this might be an okay place. A little expensive, but you know, everything is now, so. Smell the popcorn, it smells so good. Makes us want to go to the movies again. Got the glow in the dark Putt-Putt center. That might be fun to do. In the arcade. Got a military pavilion. That's all part of the auto museum. And like I said, that will be a separate video that we are going to be putting out. in the near future. Show you that. It's all part of the indoor go-kart. Get you a moped while you're here. That used to be the entrance to what was the Bass Pro Shop. But now the entrance is closed. They even have their own gift shop here. And some $10 t-shirts. And we're back up where we first came in at. Starting back to where we came in at. We're gonna go right past the auto collection, past James Bond, and we're gonna see what's on down this way. There's a bowling alley here with an arcade. Nice little bar over here, get something to drink at. Then you got the bowling alley over here. There's an arcade here and pool tables. This tank was used in GoldenEye in 1995. Russian tank. Alrighty, continuing on past the James Bond and the arcade here. Got some other things. Got the Blues Brothers up here. Looks like they're putting together something there, Blues Brothers. Got some cars and stuff sitting out here. Uh-oh, let's go back to the future. There's the DeLorean. Got some unique cars from the Flintstones over here. I guess there's Bedrock. Now we could say we've been to Bedrock. That's the car that was used in the Flintstones movies. And you can rent out this center here for an event. And there's some more. There's another car from Flintstones. Let's head on down here. Not much up in here. There's a lot of empty spaces here in the mall. So we're going to zoom and I'll see you right up there where that jump start is at. The jump start, there's a carousel I didn't notice, but we were walking down this way. But there's some more unique characters down here you'll run into. There's Wally. I don't know if you saw the movie or not. That was a decent movie. And then you got all kinds of characters hanging out down here. Go back out the mall, and here is Jump Start. Jump Start is like a it's a jump place where you take the kids and they can jump on the trampolines and stuff. And now we have Turn. A lot of the sections that you'll see at this mall is shut off for the car museum here. Like I said, that's going to be a separate video that I'll post later on. But yeah, a lot of the, I'd say from what I can see, probably over half this mall is shut off to the car museum. So if you're not into cars, you may not care for that, but if you are, then this might be the place, the mall for you to visit. And this is the backside of the bowling alley. They got like a little mini bumper cars. I don't think it's going right now, but man, look at the claw machine here. That's the biggest claw machine I think I've ever seen. You get a big old toy there. Yeah. And this is where you cash in all the tickets from the arcade. And then up here is the back side of the bowling alley. You'll see that in a minute. And that brings us right back out to the center of the mall where we started at. Getting a notification saying my battery's dying. So it's time to go. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a like, thumbs up for me, and subscribe. Ring the bell so you get notified of upcoming videos, and check out the next video that's popping up right about here. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.